We are development consulting partners. We help businesses get real results from their CRM without overcomplicating it. Think of us as your CRM optimization partner. We don't sell complexity. We focus on right-sizing and simplifying systems for growing SMBs. Since 2021, we've helped over 500 clients and earned 5-star ratings on the Salesforce App Exchange. We make CRMs work in the real world.
If your team is spending time cleaning up duplicate records or manually merging entries, this tutorial will help. Salesforce provides built-in tools that identify duplicates early, before they impact reporting, automation, and user trust. Duplicate records is powered by two components: matching rules and duplicate rules. Matching rules define how records are compared, and duplicate rules determine what happens when a match is found. Before we go into a demo, here is a quick example of how lead matching works. Even though these leads don't exactly look the same, the data is similar enough to be considered a match. Exact matches like email and fuzzy matches like name, title, and company work together to identify potential duplicates. Now let's take a look at this in Salesforce. In the quick find box, I'm going to type duplicate rules and then select it. Then I'm going to choose new rule. I have the option to choose account, contact, individual, and lead. I'm going to choose lead since duplicates most often enter the system as leads. Next, I'm going to decide how records should be compared to find duplicates. I'm going to call the duplicate name lead by email. In addition to lead matching, duplicate rules can also check new leads against existing accounts and contacts. This helps prevent creating leads for people or companies that already exist in the system. Now I'll choose how record visibility should be handled. If I check Enforce Sharing Rules, only records the users can see will be compared. If I select Bypass Sharing Rules, all records will be checked, even if the user cannot see them. Bypassing sharing rules is useful when you want stricter duplicate detection. I'm going to select Bypass Sharing Rules. Next, I need to choose when this rule should run. You can choose it when a record is created, when it is edited, or both. If duplicates often slip in during updates, it's a good idea to choose Edit. I'm going to choose Action on Create and Action on Edit. Allow lets the record save with no warning. Allow and Alert lets the record save, but shows a warning message and can be reported on. Block prevents the record from being saved at all. Next, set or create the matching rule. You can choose to select the standard lead matching rule or create a new rule. I'm going to check Create New Matching Rule. For this example, I'll configure the matching rule to check for an exact match on email. I'm going to add an email field. I'll choose to ignore blank fields so they don't create false matches. Now I'll add another field to show fuzzy matching in action. I'll add title and use fuzzy matching so similar values are treated as matches. Now I'm going to click Save. Here is the lead by email matching rule. And as you can see, a duplicate warning appears. Even though the names, titles, and company values aren't exactly the same, the exact email match and fuzzy field matches trigger the duplicate rule. Remember, both the duplicates and matching rules must be activated for this to work.
If you would like support implementing duplicate management and other Salesforce enhancements, reach out to development consulting partners.
Our goal is simple: to deploy our systematic results framework. We ensure your tech is perfectly calibrated to your budget and your headcount. As former business owners ourselves, our mission is to level the playing field. We help you use technology to close bigger deals faster and outpace the giants in your industry. Most owners realize too late that their starter tech has become an anchor. Are you still relying on manual spreadsheets? Do you feel like your technology is just an expense rather than a competitive advantage? The ultimate test is this: if you doubled your business tomorrow, would your current systems scale or would they snap? Don't wait for the breaking point. If you're tired of technology being an expense and you want it to be your biggest advantage, let's talk. Head to our website and hit book a meeting to get started.